Welcome to the future of streaming with IPTV Smarters Pro. This revolutionary app transforms how you enjoy your favorite TV shows, movies, and live broadcasts seamlessly. Let's dive into the interface, which promises an intuitive and user-friendly experience. The design is sleek, with brightly colored categories and easy navigation. Next, we'll guide you through the installation process, making it simple to set up IPTV Smarters Pro on any of your devices in just a few steps. And now, the secrets to elevate your viewing. Discover customization hacks that make your streaming experience personalized and thoroughly engaging for endless enjoyment. Let's explore standout features of IPTV Smarters Pro that set it apart. The multi-screen capability, vast content library, and seamless switching between live and recorded shows. With IPTV Smarters Pro, you're not just watching, you're experiencing entertainment in a whole new dimension. Don't miss out. Dive into the future of streaming today.